This is the afternoon video update. This is for Friday, the 10th of November. This is James Spann. We have experienced a little light rain today for a change. We'll have some rain at times tomorrow and Sunday, and a chance of more rain next week. And again, it's going to be a process, not a really heavy rain event, but rain from time to time. Let's discuss things this afternoon. This is the upper air look. We have a ridge over South Florida and a broad southwest flow aloft here, and a band of clouds over most of Alabama. A little sun peeking through across the Tennessee Valley, but most of the state socked in with clouds as a surface front continues to sag southward. And underneath the clouds, a little rain falling. You can see some light rain mainly in areas east and southeast of Montgomery and down around Mobile at mid-afternoon, but more rain developing over Mississippi and Louisiana. That moves in here from the southwest tonight. And we'll see periods of light rain tonight, tomorrow, and Sunday. Temperatures are way below average. Birmingham only at 59 degrees at 225. That's about 10 degrees below average. We've got mostly 50s and 60s for the northern part of the state, 70s for South Alabama. And that cool air will keep on sagging southward overnight. But no hazardous weather across the deep south. That's the watch warning map. Pretty quiet day. No severe storms. There could be a rumble of thunder down around Mobile and the Mississippi coast, southeast Louisiana. Through tonight, nothing severe. Maybe some thunder for the southern tip of Texas. Tomorrow, pretty much the same thing. Maybe a thunderstorm near the Gulf Coast, but nothing severe. And on day 3, which is Sunday, looks like the only part of the country with a chance of thunder is down around South Padre Island, Texas. So here's the rain for the next 7 days, and the amounts will vary from about 1/2 inch for the Tennessee Valley to 4 inches for Dauphin Island and Fort Morgan. Places like Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, 1 to 2 inches. Montgomery and much of South Alabama between 2 and 3 inches. And again, this will not be enough to get us out of a drought, but boy, it's a good start. So tropical weather, no tropical trouble for the next 48 hours, but again, the Hurricane Center putting a circle over the southwest Caribbean with a 30% chance of development there over the next 7 days. That will not be in a quick hurry to move. If anything happens to form, most likely that will not impact the contiguous United States. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Again, a southwest flow aloft. We have a stalled surface front near the Gulf Coast, moisture coming up and over the shallow, cool air. And it means tomorrow will be like today, cloudy, cool, periods of rain, mostly light rain. Temperatures will be sitting around 58, 59 all day for the northern half of the state, 60s for South Alabama. This is Sunday, and again, we'll see some scattered light rain about, certainly not an all-day kind of rain. Again, very cool. Temperatures around 60 in North Alabama, low to mid-60s for the southern counties of the state. Monday should be a dry day with some sun, but the rain comes right back on Tuesday with that feature coming in from the southwest. This is suggesting a pretty good chance of rain for much of the state Tuesday, the heaviest rain over the southern half of the state. And then Wednesday, a chance of rain statewide. Periods of rain likely. Highs will most likely be in the upper 50s and low 60s. Again, we stay pretty cool. Thursday, we'll still mention a chance of some rain, the GFS trending drier, and this is a week from today, Friday the 17th. Zonal flow, and the GFS looking dry at this point, but that's a fairly low confidence forecast. We've seen other models, specifically the European, suggesting there might be some chance of rain even on Friday of next week. Let's go out 10 days. This is Monday the 20th of November, and again, we have a trough that's west of Texas. And if the GFS is right, it's just dry as could be. But the European says not so fast. Look at that. It's got rain and storms in here. And again, we're going through a pattern change. And whenever that happens, the models struggle a bit. But I will suggest the European typically handles it better in the medium range. So again, there's your GFS in 10 days. There's the European in 10 days. What a difference. Let's look at the European for the rain for Birmingham. This is the ensemble output, valid for the next 15 days, valid through the 25th. Numbers keep going up, and that's good. Rain for Birmingham, the mean is now over 3 inches, and some of the members are in excess of 5 inches. We'll check temperatures for Birmingham off the NBM, National Blend of Models. You can see for the weekend, temperatures just won't change much. We're going to be sitting in the 55 to 60 degree range day and night tomorrow and Sunday. And then next week, highs mostly in the 60s, although it's got 58 on Wednesday. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14 day guidance. This is for November 18th through the 24th. And again, temperatures may be a little above average, but probably not by far. And remember, above average this time of the year could be upper 60s. So again, I just don't think it's going to be that warm. In fact, I think just maybe we can stick a fork in the 80s. And there's always a chance we could see an 80-degree day in December. That's happened many times before, but we don't see any evidence of that for the next 15 days or so. That's it this afternoon. Hey, got a book signing tomorrow in Rockford at the Triple R Cafe right there in US 231, about 9 to noon. We have so much fun at these things. They're great. We'll have all of the T-shirts, great Christmas gift items, hats from Crest Publishers, of course, the books, All You Can Do Is Pray. That's the book about April 27, 2011. Weathering Life, and our children's books, Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared, and The Wonder of Thunder. And we have so much fun at these. So again, if you're anywhere near Rockford, come see us. 9 to noon tomorrow at the Triple R Cafe. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a marvelous weekend, and God bless.